part 2 of chapter 3. His son, Sultan Veled, related that there was a paper in the handwriting of his father, Baha Veled, which set forth that at Balkh, when Jalal was 6 years old, he was taking the air one Friday on the terraced roof of the house and reciting the Quran, when some other children of good families came and joined him there. After a time, one of these children proposed that they should try and jump from thence on to a neighboring terrace and should lay wagers on the result. Jalal smiled at this childish proposal and remarked, "My brother, to jump from terrace to terrace is an act well adapted for cats, dogs, and the like to perform, but it is not degrading to man, whose station is so superior. Come now, if you feel disposed, let us spring up the firmament and visit the regions of God's realm." As he yet spake, he vanished from their sight. Frightened at Jalal's sudden disappearance, the other children raised a shout of dismay that someone should come to their assistance, when lo, in an instant, there he was again in their midst, but with an altered expression of countenance and blanched cheeks. They all uncovered before him, fell to the earth in humility, and all declared themselves his disciples. He now told them that, as he was yet speaking to them, a company of visible forms, clad in green raiment, had led him away from them and had conducted him about the various concentric orbs of the spheres and through the signs of the zodiac, showing him the wonders of the world of spirits and bringing him back to them as soon as their cries had reached his ears. At that age, he was used not to break his fast more often than once in 3 or 4 and sometimes even 7 days. Of course, Islam has a rule where after Muhammad, or other than Muhammad, no one was allowed that if they could break their fast, to delay breaking their fast after the sunset. Now, I understand you're across the field, it's 10 minutes or whatever away or whatever till you can break your fast, but if you have your stuff with you to break your fast, you break your fast immediately. With just water or fruit, if that's all you have. Comfortable position here.